Atomic Habits by James Clear is a book that teaches you how to create good habits and break bad ones. Here is a summary of the main ideas in 10 bullet points. 1. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Small changes can lead to remarkable results over time. Forget about setting goals. 2. Focus on your system instead. Your system is the process that leads to the results you want. 3. The most effective way to change your habits is to focus on who you wish to become, not what you want to achieve. Your identity emerges from your habits. 4. The 4 laws of behavior change are a simple set of rules for building good habits and breaking bad ones. They are: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. 5. To make a habit obvious, use implementation intentions and habit stacking. Implementation intentions are statements that specify when, where, and how you will perform a habit. Habit stacking is linking a new habit to an existing one. 6. To make a habit attractive, use temptation bundling and the dopamine-driven feedback loop. Temptation bundling is pairing a habit you need to do with one you want to do. The dopamine-driven feedback loop is the anticipation of reward that motivates you to act. 7. To make a habit easy, use the law of least effort and the 2-minute rule. The law of least effort states that humans naturally gravitate toward the option that requires the least amount of work. The 2-minute rule says that when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. 8. To make a habit satisfying, use reinforcement and tracking. Reinforcement is the positive feeling you get from doing a habit. Tracking is the measurement of your progress, which provides feedback and accountability. 9. To break a bad habit, invert the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, and make it unsatisfying. 10. The Goldilocks Rule states that humans experience peak motivation when working on tasks that are right on the edge of their current abilities. To maintain your habits, you need to find the optimal level of difficulty and challenge.